Hey strangers, my name is Gabrielle and welcome back to my channel where I talk about freelancing, young adulting, surviving college, and personal development. This week's video, we're going to talk about the 3 main payment channels that I've been using that you can prepare so that you can also use it to start your freelancing journey. This video is already part 4 of my student freelancing series, so if you haven't watched videos 1, 2, and 3. I have it linked down on the description below. You can check it out. You can see more tips and tricks for students who are out there wanting to start your own freelancing career. The first payment channel that I started using when I began my freelancing career was PayPal. So PayPal is like the most globally known payment channel. Everyone knows PayPal. Everyone practically has a PayPal now, and it's really easy to get verified. As long as you have a valid ID and you already have a Visa debit card. Although you can also use a MasterCard na debit card, but I have a workaround that I will be talking to you about using a Visa debit card. So sa PayPal, madali lang siya. You just register, you just confirm your email address, and you provide your proof of identity. The only thing that I don't like about PayPal is malaki yung fees niya because PayPal was originally used for people in the US. Pag taga-US ka, PayPal doesn't have any fees. Para lang siyang GCash. So, pwede ka lang mag-transfer from one PayPal account to another. Kung taga-US ka, wala siyang bayad. Pero for us that are based here in the Philippines, mahal ang fees na binabayaran kay PayPal. And ang isa pang con kay PayPal is if you're gonna get paid in USD or you're gonna get paid in whatever other currency, mababa ang conversion rate ni PayPal. So if you directly use the conversion tool with PayPal, you're gonna lose a lot of money sa fees pa lang and sa conversion rate difference. Pero I did find a workaround with the conversion rates. So that's why I mentioned na Visa debit card talaga yung gagamitin because this trick or this workaround will only work if you're gonna use a Visa debit card. So for example, nakalink ka na ng Visa debit card mo. So ang gagawin mo is pupunta ka sa chat support, tapos sasabihan mo yung chat support na gusto mo i-convert yung primary currency ng debit card na yon into USD. So, ang ifa-follow na conversion rate pag nag-transfer ka na from PayPal to your bank account is yung bank na conversion rate. So, kung anong bank yung ginagamit mo, yung conversion rate ng bank mo yung gagamitin pag nag-convert. Kasi nga, si PayPal has one of the lowest conversion rates in the market right now. So, pag sa banko, sa local bank na conversion rate, mas mataas. Ako, personally, I use Union Bank as my Visa debit card. Maganda rin siya kasi nakikita ko yung daily rates or daily conversion rates through the app mismo. So, pwede ako mag-decide, okay, medyo mataas yung USD ngayon. Ngayon na ako mag-transfer from PayPal to my bank. So, that's one thing that you can do, which is why maganda, if gagamitin mo nga si PayPal, you use this workaround para mas mataas yung conversion rate na nakukuha mo. Pero personally, I try to avoid using PayPal at all times kasi sobrang taas ng fees. One thing that I do though, if I am forced to use PayPal, kasi yung client wala talagang ibang payment channel na kayang gamitin, I compute the PayPal fees and all the conversion kineme and I add that on top of the bill nung client sa invoice ko. So, sila dapat kasi yung nagko-cover ng fees. I don't have to pay any fees when, receiving my money sa pinaghirapan kong project or pinaghirapan kong article na ginawa ko for them. So, I have them pay the fee. And I tell the clients upfront, if you're going to use PayPal, I'm gonna add this amount on top to cover the fees. That's something that you can do depending on sa situation nyo with the client. The second payment channel that I use is, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Payoneer or Payoneer. Payoneer is a payment channel that's being endorsed by one of the websites that I'm currently using, which is onlinejobs.ph. Yun yung parang verified na payment channel nila that they recommend para sa mga nag-hire ng mga freelancers or mga online virtual assistants on that website. So, yung maganda naman kay Payoneer is mataas yung conversion rates niya compared to PayPal. Kasi yung ginagamit niyang conversion rates is actually MasterCard's conversion rates. So, kung magkano yung dinideclare ni MasterCard na conversion rate for this day, yun yung magiging conversion rate na susundin pag binabayaran ka through Payoneer. And although medyo similar rin siya kay PayPal, transfer mo muna from Payoneer to your bank. So, minsan, depende sa amount, baka mag-take 2 to 3 business days bago dumating sa bangko mo yung money. It depends kung gaano kalaki yung amount. Minsan, instant naman siya. I've only used Payoneer or Pioneer twice. Hindi ko alam kung gaano siya ka-consistent kasi nga, twice ko pa lang siya nagamit and then, hindi naman super laki yung natanggap kong money through Payoneer. Under $200 lang naman each. So, mabilis lang. Instant lang napasok na sa bangko ko yung money. Free rin siya. Wala kang babayaran pag nag-register ka. Madali lang naman ma-verify. You just need, again, to provide proof of identity and you just need to have a bank account already. So, any local bank account, MasterCard, Visa card, pwede sa Payoneer or Pioneer. The third payment channel that I love using kasi yun yung pinakamadali and rekta siya sa bangko ko is Wise. Previously, it was called TransferWise, pero ngayon, it's now Wise. Yung maganda kay Wise is kung magkano yung pinadala sa yung pera, yun yung dadating sa bangko mo. Kasi kung yung sender na yung nagbabayad ng fees, meron na silang fees na binabayaran pag nagpapadala sila ng pera. So yung amount na ipapadala sa'yo, free from deductions. Kasi maganda pa sa kanya is direct to the bank siya. So depende rin sa magiging setup nyo. Kasi yung boss ko or yung isang big client ko, ang pinapadala niya sa akin, naka-PHP na or naka-pesos na. Pag dating sa akin ng money, malinis. Kung magkano yung ine-expect kong sahod every month, pare-pareho. Pero may iba nga kasing may iba kasing clients na pinapadala nila, di pa naka-convert. So for example, papadalan ka $1,000. Yung i-follow na conversion rate nung Wise is yung bank account mo. Depends na naman sa setup nyo ng client nyo kung gusto mo ba papadalan ka in USD or kung gusto mo papadalan ka in PHP. Either way, it works direct to the bank. Ang problem ko lang with Wise is pag lumagpas ka na ng 40,000 or 50,000, medyo frequent ang delays with receiving the payment. For example, ako, I sometimes get my money 2 to 3 days late. Papadala sa 15, dadating sa akin mga 17, 18 sa local bank account ko. Yun lang yung problema pag medyo mataas na yung natatanggap mong pera via Wise. Pag lagpas na ng 40,000, lagpas na ng 50,000, expect na malilate siya. So, yun lang naman. These are 3 na easy payment channels that I've experienced using. There are way more out there. Meron Stripe, but again, it's not available here in the Philippines as of the moment. But there are other channels out there. There's also Zoom. So parang para siyang Venmo. There are so many other payment channels out there. Pero these are the 3 that I've been most comfortable with and I've had direct experience with. And alam kong pwede kayong mag-register kasi ako naka-register ako. Student lang din naman ako. Yeah, you can try it out. Mas mabuti nang prepared kayo kahit wala pa kayong client right now. And mas mabuti nang meron na kayong channel to receive money if papadala na kayo ng pera. The next video that I will be covering next week is about invoicing. So invoicing, paano ba talaga magpadala ng invoice? What are the inclusions that you should do with an invoice? Should you have a logo? How personalized should it be? How do you make it look professional para hindi ka mukhang beginner? Yeah, that will be the video for next week, so stay tuned for that. But that's gonna be everything for this really quick and short video about the 3 payment channels that I've used. I hope you liked it. So if you did, again, the usual, consider subscribing, like this video or hit the notification bell. Again, you do you. And yeah, that's everything. See you next week. Bye.